Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. We're going to show you our 68 442 started up. Key buzzer even works. Runs really good. There's your factory tack. Don't know if the clock works, but the tack works. Oil pressure gauge. Fuel gauge is all the way over at full, so I don't know if that means it's full or what. It shows 57,707, no idea on the mileage.
And I have a serious
Yep, old factory AM FM works.
for new vehicle
Sure.
quality by JD Power and Sharp Automotive. The 2020
Blower motor doesn't work currently. And there it's missing the AC compressor and everything. There's your wipers. Horn is also in on. Runs good, period correct engine, non-numbers matching according to the previous owner. There you can see the air box is there, but it's damaged, so heater cord's not hooked up. So it needs that all done to it if you want to. There's your headlights, they work. Light works too, yep. So horn and blower motor and air. So pretty nice car, just good driver quality. 442 605 695 7391.